My name's Josie McAuley and I've studied visual arts, and my artwork is The New Abnormal Under the Microscope. With the COVID pandemic still raging and the world in quarantine, my artwork explores the social, biological and emotional impact of this new normal, in reality, abnormal. Disease inflicts fear, pain, paranoia, loss and suffering. The resulting sense of isolation, inequality and vulnerability segregates and detrimentally affects the whole, in this case our social, psychological and cellular worlds. Utilising Petri dishes, perspex circles and organisms in this piece harnesses the visual representation of biological studies, disease, organisms when viewed under a microscope. Overlaid is the comparable scrutiny of the psychological impacts and social realities of COVID-19 and other infections through etched imagery, text and alcohol ink illustrations. In conjunction with the wide array of circles, I have incorporated varying cellular shapes using perspex, line drawing and embellishment. Through further exploration of these cellular organisms in microscopic view, under the microscope expresses the multifaceted, complex and alienating impact of disease on humanity.